Hello everyone, we are back at the Madcap Toys studio. My name is Kathy, and in this video we are going to talk about the Mercari Smart Pricing feature, what it is, how sellers can use it, and if it's a good idea. So the Smart Pricing feature on Mercari is a tool for sellers to help them automate their sales and promotions basically without thinking about it. So once they have set the price for their item, they can go down to the bottom before they submit the listing and set a floor price, the lowest that they would ever go on their item, and then basically hit submit. So what that means, what will happen is that Mercari would take over from there, and throughout a period of time, they would slowly drop the price here and there to see if they can gather interest from buyers to purchase the item. And so I wanted to bring this up today because I've had a lot of people in Facebook groups that I'm in, on Reddit and different venues kind of ask, Kath, is it a good idea for me to use a smart pricing feature on Mercari? If you are the type of seller that, wants to basically set it and forget it, you've got items that, you set it at a pretty high price and you purchase the item pretty low, and you want to set a floor price without even worrying about it, and you kind of want to, burn it, so to speak. You probably bought it low. You're going to get a nice high profit of where you have it, and you're kind of wanting to drop the price to gain a lot of interest. Then yes, it's a good idea to use the smart pricing feature. But if you're wanting a high ROI, you bought it at a good level, but you really want to profit high on those items, then it wouldn't be really a good idea to do. The reason being is many people that have already used the smart pricing feature have said that it doesn't give the item enough time to gradually, go down to the floor price. What has been happening is that instead of it taking, a couple weeks or a month, it's basically taking, a few days, and instead of it gradually dropping to the floor price, it's just automatically going to the floor price pretty much. So people were feeling that their ROI was pretty low, and it was basically going to the bottom of the barrel like a fire sale. So in my opinion, I have never used the smart pricing feature. I like to be in control of my item. I usually set my prices a little bit higher on Mercari. And then, if someone wanted to make an offer a little bit, I can work, some room with that, and, kind of know what I bought, purchase the item for, and what I can sell it for at its lowest price and still make a decent profit. So I like to be in control of the items. So if I see enough likers on a specific item and get the notification, a lot of times I will click the promote to liker, however many likers there are, set a percentage or set, so many dollars off, and see if they will take a bite at it. I like to control that. Now I understand also too that Mercari only allows you to do about 10 promotions, and 10 listings a day. But to be honest with you, I don't feel like that I get as many, likes in a day on very many items. So it's easy for me just to look up throughout the day to see, who's out there and who's liking enough of a specific item to hit the promote to likers, if that makes sense. So for me, I like to be in control of that. But there are folks that, they have a set amount of items. Like I said, they bought it really low. They're selling it high, so they're, they know their gap. They know where to set the floor price at, and they're comfortable of, Mercari doing the rest, so to speak, in lowering that price down to gain interest. So, what I've been told is that, once you set the floor price, then Mercari will take on with that and control it, and then, promote your listing site-wide to gain interest and likes for the item to quickly sell it for you. But again, the downside of it that I have heard is that the feature basically drops the price quickly rather in a gradual form. So that is basically what I wanted to discuss today, what the smart pricing feature is, how sellers can use it, and if it's a good idea. In my opinion, and for me and Darren and Madcap Toys, we don't like to use the smart pricing feature. We haven't used the smart pricing feature, probably won't use the smart pricing feature. But of course, we sell differently than maybe you do, or anyone else, in the Mercari community. So it's up to you. If you think it's a good idea, you want Mercari to automate your sales pricing instead of you dealing with it, keeping up with it from time to time, that's cool. If not, if you want to be like us and be kind of in control of where the pricing goes and allow your buyers to make those offers, then that's cool too. So again, this is basically, an opinion on that, but I just wanted to share the smart pricing feature. Again, many people have been asking if it's a good idea to use, so I just wanted to give a shout out to that, kind of give our opinion at Madcap Toys, what we feel about it. So if you like this video, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. Hit the bell for all notifications so you know each and every time we upload a video. So I'm going to let you guys go for now. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.